All right, I got a quick one for you. This is going to be very easy, nice, simple video. SD card, again, I know, a lot of Zoom F6 SD card stuff, but it just seems to be a topic that I want to bang out. We're going to get this done, I promise. Welcome back to the Rebel Tech channel. I'm Justin, and in this video, we're going to be talking about how to check your SD card performance on the Zoom F6. Now, a lot of devices have the option to check your SD card performance, meaning how well is it going to perform in the Zoom F6 with the parameters of all the stuff going on. Now, this is a general SD card performance test. There's a quick one, and then there's a long one. And there's no guarantees that this is going to cover everything. This is just a general, hey, it's good to go. If you have a decent SD card and it's not one of those knockoff ones that you're not really sure is going to work, you should be fine. But there's always exceptions to the rule, so be careful and be vigilant. So let's dive into it. So to get to the test, basically you're going to do is go to Menu, System, SD card, Performance Test. Then you have, like I said, quick test and a full test. With the quick test, you're going to press execute and you're just going to let it go. You could press menu to stop it, but for the most part, you should be fine. And this should be really quick. I think it says like 2-3 minutes for it to be done, and it will let you know if it's okay. Now, of course, if you want to try a full test, you go to full test and press execute as well. Menu will stop the test as well. So let it go all the way through, and if it says it's okay, you're good to go. The green bar all the way through, and you're good to go. Now, if you notice that the access rate max reaches 100%, the card will fail, meaning that if it reaches 100%, it will fail all the time. I've never had an issue. I usually use cards that are pretty good, and I use cards that are known brands. Usually I just use SanDisk. That's my SD card of choice. And you have up to 512 gigs as your option for SD card size. So like I said, quick video. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you liked the video, please hit the like button down below. It would be greatly appreciated. Helps this video, helps this channel, and it gets out to more people learning about the Zoom F6. Possibly a quick video like this and some shorts. Keep an eye out for those shorts. They're coming out. I have a couple of ideas for shorts, and they're going to be coming out in January as well, possibly February, depending on how life goes and how quickly I can get the videos out. I don't want to rush it, but they will come out. February, January, in that area. Also, if there's anything you want to know and anything that I haven't covered or anything that I missed in the video, let me know down in the comments. All they ask is to be nice and constructive. That's all. And lastly, if you like my vibe around here and everything going on, please consider subscribing. It would be greatly appreciated. We are well on our way to 2,000 subscribers and looking to get those milestones in the future. So if you want to join a really cool community and really nice people that I've spoken to in the past and hopefully in the future, please consider subscribing. It would be really appreciated. Once we got monetized, I was like, it's amazing how many people are a part of this community, and I'm very proud of you guys. So keep it up and spread the word. Spread the word about the good vibes. And that's all I got for you. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.
Oh, Jesus. Where did he come from? He just popped out of the air like Mary Poppins.